Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Imani here. So today we're going to be doing an oily skin approved for the MAC Pro Longwear Nourishing Foundation. Sorry, Nourishing Waterproof Foundation. This is not a new foundation. It came out a while ago, but I bought it like what, 2-3 years ago, and I just fell in love, but I never did a full review and wear test of it. So that's what we're going to be doing today, because I feel like I've been having the issue where the foundation in my mustache area is completely disappearing, and I'm kind of over it. And I know that this foundation is really good, so I wanted to really put it to the test. So that's what we're going to be doing today. If this is your first time watching the beat, welcome. And if this is not your first time, you already know what it is. Okay, your girl has a new camera, so get ready for the quality. Okay, I'm so excited about it. I'm gonna put a link to my camera down below. My hubby got it for me for Christmas, and yes, I opened it right away because I was ready for my quality to improve. I also got a microphone, but I haven't connected the microphone just yet, so stay tuned for audio to also be on 100. Okay, don't forget to subscribe and put your bell on for notifications. Join the Beat family. Remember to put that notification bell on so you get notified every time I upload a video. I don't want you all to be missing out. 2021 is about to be even better than 2020, so put that notification bell on and subscribe to your girl's channel. Let's go. So the foundation is called the Pro Longwear Nourishing Waterproof Foundation by MAC, and I'm not sure how many shades they have, but I feel like the shade range is limited. Like they don't have up to what, 58 I think is what MAC goes to. NW 50 is the deepest, and I'm usually like an NW 48, but the 50 is my perfect match. So I feel like it's not transferable in the other MAC like foundation lines, which I don't like. But I really like this foundation. I've been using it for a while now. It's a squeeze tube. I'm gonna squeeze out that much. Now, even this shade mightn't be my perfect shade. It's a bit lighter than my skin, but when I'm finished with everything, you're gonna see how perfect it looks. Okay, so I'm gonna try to just use what I pumped onto my hand. I'm not gonna use any more than that because I don't want to do too much. This foundation is waterproof, y'all. I've went swimming with this foundation before and it is waterproof. When I went to Jamaica earlier this year, I wore this foundation to the wedding and my face was intact for the whole time. Granted, it wasn't as hot in Jamaica as I thought it would be, but I did sweat like I always sweat. So I was super impressed at what this foundation did. The match is looking pretty good, I ain't gonna lie. So in the past, I've thought that this foundation was a bit light for me, but I think it's looking pretty good. It's looking kind of perfect, to be honest. So do you see the finish that it gives? It's like a velvet, like for sure finish. And I'm gonna have to put my mask on, so we'll see how it also holds up with the mask. If you want to see this eye look, let me know. I may film it for my YouTube. I don't usually do eye looks on my YouTube because I feel like people are not coming to me for that. But if you guys would like to see it, please let me know. I'm about to add some green. I follow Nicole Lynn, and she had this beautiful makeup look on yesterday with like green on the bottom, and I was like, wow, that's gorgeous. So I wanted to do a little nudie eye with green on the bottom, just like she did. Right, so this is how the foundation is looking. Now we're gonna just finish the face. So MAC was having a 30% off sale for Cyber Monday, for Black Friday, Cyber Monday. So I ended up paying $25 for it, which was a total steal. So I was happy about that. Now, I think in my shop with me video, you guys saw me buying it on Saks. Saks only had 15% off. And then my friend told me MAC has 30% off, girl. And I was like, what? So I still have the package from Saks. I just need to go to the store and return it, because I think I paid what, $30 on Saks, and then on the MAC website I paid $25. So y'all know I needed to get a better deal. This concealer is from Clinique. It's like one of my faves. I'm just gonna speed through this. I'm gonna use my Mented powder in light tan just to set my under eyes. I've been really enjoying this powder. It does a good job of setting my entire face actually. And y'all, I have oily skin, so that is why I powder. Like, I powder like crazy. I've been using the Sephora Micro Smooth powder, but I feel like that is making me more oily. I like it to just give like a set look to your face, but I just feel like I need to use that more in the nighttime. Like if I'm just going out for dinner, you know, I'm not gonna be doing much, because when I do sweat and all that, it just, I think it makes me look more shiny. Then I'm just gonna use Mocha Mami from Fenty Beauty as my bronzer. I go between Mocha Mami and Yacht Life Fermented. Those two bronzers are my favorite. Like, so brown girl friendly. Mocha Mami is the darkest that Fenty has, but Mented actually has a deeper shade than Yacht Life called Out of Office. So I like that, you know, Mented has like one more shade, so a little bit more options. I love to bronze my forehead, so I'm just going in with this Mented powder brush. Looks like this, right? Just to kind of blend everything together. Make sure we don't have any excess powder, no lines, you know. So for blush, we're gonna be using Peach for the Stars. I am like obsessed. Okay, there is shimmer in here, so I don't have to use any highlight. Look at that color, y'all. Oh my gosh, look at that beautiful color, y'all. I'm obsessed. I have a lot of powder on my braids. I usually just wipe that off, you know, before I get going. But I'm gonna go into the Jackiana palette, y'all. My palette is super dirty. I'm about to go into this. Sponsored. I think that's the green I want to use on a brush like this. And I'm just going to, I'm not in love with that green. I want a darker green. Hold on, I'm gonna get another palette. All right, so I'm gonna use the Artist palette from Anastasia instead, and this green shade Anaconda. I think this is more of what I want. Yeah. I don't know if I want to bring it all the way. And then I'm gonna add some mascara from Armani Beauty. Okay, so when I got the foundation from MAC, I also got this liquid lip that I've been wanting for the longest while, called High Drama. I love this shade. I don't know if this is the shade I want to use though. I'm not sure. I don't know how it's gonna look. Let's try it, because I'm about to just have one all black. So I don't know if I want a dark lip or not. Like, look how opaque. Oh, this color is gorgeous. So we have the deep purple on the lips. We have a little green pop of color. That's the final look. So it's 3 o'clock right now. We're gonna come back in 4+ hours to see how the foundation stood up. I feel like it's gonna be popping. I've been wearing this foundation for like 2 years, I think, and it never disappointed me, but I didn't document it, you know? So I was like, I need to bring this to my girls. Like, if you could find your shade in this foundation, I would highly recommend it. I feel like I already know how many stars I'm gonna give it, but let's not jinx it. Let's see how it works with the mask and all that. Yeah, but you know, with Corona time, like, it's a different set of rules, right? So let's see how it's gonna hold up. All right, guys, I'm back after about 4 hours. So this is how my face is looking. Pretty good. Not shiny at all. Mustache is still there. I kind of knew this is what it was gonna look like. Outside was pretty cold though, so I sweat a little bit, but not a lot. I wore my mask. We have a little bit of a line here. That's from the mask, understandable, but the rest of my face looks so good. I'm gonna give this foundation 5 out of 5 stars. I absolutely love it. I feel like if you could find your shade match, you're gonna love it too, especially if you have oily skin. It's a holy grail. A little bit of shine on the nose, but just a little dab and the shine is gone. Absolutely love how my skin is still looking. I'm about to do a live on Instagram, a skin chat, so I'm gonna take this whole face off, but I love how my makeup came out today. Let me know if you've tried this foundation, and if you're thinking about picking it up, I would say definitely get it. MAC is always having sales too, so if you want to wait, maybe closer to Christmas, they might have another sale and then you could pick it up. Or you could even go into a MAC store and get shade matched. I don't think MAC is giving samples. I don't think anybody is giving samples, so that kind of sucks. But you know, if you already know your shade in MAC, you may just be able to pick it up. I am not 100% sure that this will translate across lines, but you know, you can give it a try and see. Definitely love this foundation. If there's another foundation that you would like me to try, please let me know. I need to compile my list for 2021. Let's see if there would be any new releases in 2021 for foundation. Let's see how it goes. But if you already have like a holy grail and you have oily skin, please let me know down in the comment section. But yeah, don't forget you can follow me on my social media platforms. It's the.beat on Instagram and the Beat Inc on Facebook. And without further ado, thank you so much for watching and have a great night, guys. Bye.